Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you all of my squishies that I made. So the first one is a hand. It got a little ripped, but yeah. So the next one, I have all of them in the baskets. So I have this pumpkin one. On the back it has Bob. And next one is just a simple plain squishy with just pink and then a squishy. So next one, this is the second squishy I made. It's very cute and squishy. I mean, of course it's squishy, but the next one I have is this cute little potato. So squishy. Next one, I have a donut. It's not that squishy because I didn't really know how to make it, but it was still fun making. Next one is an Among Us character. That was my favorite one just because of how squishy it was. Oh, this one got torn, but it's okay. I'll fix it another time. Next one, you have a flower. We have a Among Us character again. I loved making Among Us characters as squishies. I have this cute Among Us character that I made myself with a little kitty pumpkin. And the last ones are this one. It's very cute. This one, also very cute. And this one. And I have them all in the back. And the basket besides the hand one. I actually do have another one, but I don't know where it is because it's huge. It's like a kitty. It's like a little kitty squishy, and it's like this big. But yeah, anyways, that's all. Bye.